Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In this episode for the MedCalc software, episode number 36. Today we will learn for the chi-square test in the MedCalc software. So the chi-square test is used to examine whether there is a significant association between the two categorical variables. So the common examples of the biomedical, the categorical variable for the gender with disease or smoking with lungs disease, treatment with recovery, and the vaccination with the infections. So this is for the categorical variable for the common biomedical examples. So we take the data set for the chi-square test analyzed in the MedCalc software, 20 different the patient ID, and the two groups for the first one for the smoker and the another one for the non-smoker for the one categorical. So the another one category for the hypertensions. So the smoking the affect to the hypertensions for the yes and no. So the tutorial how to analyze for the chi-square test in the MedCalc software. So go to the top menu, selected for the statistics and selected for the cross tables and selected for the chi-square test. So open the new tab for the chi-square test. So the two classifications options provided in the MedCalc software. So the first one for the classification X and another one for the classifications Y. So the two categorical variable added to the classification X and the classification Y. So the first one for the classification S add for the smoking status, and the next one the classifications for the Y add to the hypertension, and the another one for the filter options leave the empty unless analyzing for the subgroups, and the another one options for the right side in the chi-square test. So the options for the show all the percentage. So example for the row percentage, column percentage, and the total percentage. So this is for the biomedical data analysis. Suggestion for the options for the show all the percentage, click to the checkbox and click to the OK button. Now the data analyzed for the chi-square test in the MedCalc software. So the classification X for the smoking status and the classification Y for the hypertensions. So the hypertensions, the smoking status, no non-smoking and the smoking, the no for the hypertensions, the total 7, and the smoker for the 4, the total 11% and the 55%, and the RT, CT and GT, the meaning of the RT for the row total percentage and CT for the column total percentage and GT for the ground total percentage. So the hypertensions no, and the non-smoker for the row total 63.6% and smoker 36.4%, and the 70% of the column total and the smoker for the 40% for the column total, and the hypertensions the no hypertensions for the non-smoker, the ground the total 35% and smoker ground total 20%, and the hypertension the present the hypertensions the non-smoker and smoker the status. So the 33.3% of the row total in the non-smoker and 66.7% in the row total for the smoker, and 30% for the non-smoker and 60% for the column total for the smoker, and the non-smoker for the 50% of the ground total and smoker 30% for the ground total, at the total percentage of the 9 the 45%, and the total of the 10 50% and 50% is equal to the 20, and the another one the checkbox for the chi-square test. The chi-square the test 1.727, the degrees of freedom 1, and significance level P is equal to 0.1888. So the category coefficients the value 0.282, And the high-square test for the analyzing the method, the MedCalc, the provide for the frequency chart. So click the options, then open the new tab for the frequency chart. This is for the classification X and Y already automatically selected. The suggest for the software, the graph type the suitable for the high square test, the clustered the column for the graph type, and the graph the ordinations for the vertical. So then click to the OK button. Now the draw a graph for the frequency test for the MedCalc software in high square test. So similar options only provide. The first one for the behind the grid lines, and the change for the color, the format bar, fill the color and the border color black. Okay, the no hypertensions, the green color, and the change for the hypertension presence, the fill the color and the border black. So the change color for the frequency chart, and the time font for the time Roman 20, and the x is percent for the smoking status, and y is percent for the counter for the smoking status. So the green color is no hypertensions, and the orange color is a hypertensions presence. So this is for the first one for the non-smoker and the smoker. This is for the analyzing method in the high square test in the MedCalc software. The interpretations method and explanation for the graph are published in the Blacker post. That link mentioned to the this video description box. Any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. Thank you for watching this video.